How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super slick 71 Nova SS, done in a stunning silver metallic. Super cool car. Got show quality paint on it. It's had a complete frame off restoration. See, all the hood molding and the fender eyebrows are all new. Headlight bezels all reconditioned. Original grille, bumper been replaced. Car super straight, flat down the sides. All the gaps are very nice on the car. It is a rust-free body to start with. I know the gentleman that built this car. Just a very nice car here, guys. All the taillights have been replaced. The SS applique, rear bumper. He did all new glass in the car. He's very meticulous on what he does. Got a mild built 454 aluminum intake and Holly. It's got power steering, your power disc brakes. It's an aluminum radiator. Front suspension's been all done. It's got tubular upper and lower A-arm upgrade. It's got a 700 R4 overdrive trans, 373 posi rear. So all the jams, everything are very slick in this car. Interior's all been redone. The dash is in excellent condition. Headliner's real nice and tight. It's got the front and rear seat belts. Factory SS steering wheel in it. Got a set of ceramic coated headers into a Flowmaster 2.5 inch dual transverse muffler exhaust. Tailpipes all the way out the back. All the jams, everything very nice in this car. Matching spare, the jack. Got a direct fit AM/FM stereo with the iPod capability and Bluetooth. All the chrome trim up here on the top of the doors, excellent. It's not all scratched up or nothing. All the window stainless has been polished. Thing fires right up. Can't even hear the thing hardly run up front. Side markers work like they should and everything. Everything in it works. Got the factory, SS wheels on it. Backup lights, everything worked like it should. I tell you, it's just a super nice car. You can take this car, go to any show you want, be proud to own it. Very nice car. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. You can visit us at 8180 South State Road, Goodrich, Michigan. You can also follow us on Facebook. I tell you, it's just a gorgeous car. Silver with the factory wheels, just a real good look. Have a great day, folks.